Which Toy Story Friends transparent tunnel would you zoom through at your water park? Pick one. Which super cool water jetpack will lift you high above the water park? A gooey slime water jetpack? That's wildly bizarre. Which superhero splash zone would you pick for ultimate fun and adventure? What would you pick? A web slinger splash zone sounds like a sticky fun time. Would you choose Doctor Who's TARDIS Tube, Bill Nye's Science Tube, or the magical surprise journey from Ms. Frizzle? The magical surprise journey from Ms. Frizzle takes you to the water park of the dinosaurs, where you can splash with friendly ancient creatures. Whoa, so cool! Which undersea character's mermaid tail would you love to swim with at your water park? A mysterious Ursula Sea witch tail sounds really cool, but maybe a little spooky. Which awesome locker would you choose to store your stuff at the water park? A futuristic flying locker? So cool! Which magical invisibility shield would you pick for sneaky water park adventures? An invisibility cloak shield sounds perfect for skipping lines. Would you rather change in a robot room, a car room, or a dream house room? A transforming robot changing room? That's next level! Which awesome VIP cabana would you choose to relax in after a fun day? A high-tech floating cabana sounds like the ultimate luxury. Time to decide. Which hero's surf simulator will give you the best waves for your fantasy water park? Pick one. Which amazing secret cave would you love to discover in your water park? A wish-granting secret cave? I'd wish for endless slides. Would you pick Hiccup's Viking boat, Astrid's Fierce boat, or the secret Night Fury surprise from Toothless? The secret Night Fury-inspired boat from Toothless can actually fly above the water, giving you an amazing view of the whole park. Wow! Which amazing mega slide would you choose to kick off your water park adventure? Let us know in the comments. Wow, a loop-de-loop turbo slide sounds like an instant thrill. Which group of characters offers the most enchanting glowing gummy bears for your water park's treats? Bouncing, glowing gummy bears? That sounds like a party in your mouth. Which pirate's ship will be the centerpiece of your water park splash zone? What would you pick? A swashbuckling pirate ship sounds like endless fun. Would you rather explore a silly starfish city, a musical coral city, or a treasure-filled crab city? A treasure-filled crab city sounds like a great place for adventure. Time to decide. Which cool pair of goggles will protect your eyes at the water park? One-eyed monster goggles would definitely make a statement. Which fairy tale character's swimsuit would you wear to your fantasy water park? Which one wins for you? A talking donkey swimsuit sounds like it would be full of jokes. Which underwater raft ride would you choose for an amazing journey in your water park? Dude, a super chill current raft ride sounds totally awesome. Which amazing robot would you trust to be the lifeguard at your water park? A cuddly, health-monitoring robot lifeguard sounds incredibly comforting. Which magical rainbow shower would you pick for your water park? Or the mystery surprise from Rainbow Dash? The mystery surprise from Rainbow Dash was a shower that instantly dries you off and gives you a sparkly rainbow glow. So cool! Which Back to the Future character's flying skateboard would you shred on at your water park? A time-traveling flying skateboard? Imagine all the fun jumps through history. Which enchanted fountain would add the most magic to your fantasy water park? A thorny magical fountain from Maleficent sounds mysteriously intriguing. Time to decide. Which enchanting treasure chest holds the best water park goodies for you? A pixie dust-filled chest? Imagine the magical splashes. Which musical artist's amazing disco pool will light up your water park for an unforgettable party? A show-stopping glittering pool sounds like the ultimate party. Which Frozen character's floating island would you want to relax on at your water park? A warm hugs floating island sounds like the coziest place ever. Pick one. Mater's silly tube, Lightning's fast tube, or Sally's comfy cone tube. A comfy cone inner tube? Perfect for relaxing. Which Which magical sunscreen would you choose to protect you from the sun's rays at your water park? A reality-bending sunscreen? What kind of wild tan would you get? Which surprise super soaker would you pick for epic water battles at your water park? Whoa! The giant mech-powered water blaster can shoot a stream of water all the way across the park. That's awesome! Which Guardian of the Galaxy's bubble machine would you choose for maximum bubbly fun? A hilariously serious bubble machine from Drax sounds like an unexpected laugh. Time to decide. Which hero's speed power-up will make you the fastest on the slides? Which Sesame Street friend will provide the perfect soundtrack for your water park fun? A cookie-munching beat sounds surprisingly catchy. Would you rather splash in a banana wave pool, a muddy puddle pool, or a pineapple-themed one? A muddy puddle wave pool? That sounds hilariously messy. Which character's giant rubber duck would be your ultimate floating companion? A grumpy but cute duck sounds perfectly in character. Which adorable character's cloud sun lounger sounds like the comfiest spot to chill? A puffy pink cloud sun lounger sounds absolutely dreamy. Which superhero's gravity-defying pool would you pick for an out-of-this-world swim? An Amazonian anti-gravity pool sounds like a majestic experience. Which 100-acre wood friend would be the perfect mascot for your fun water park? A super bouncy tiger mascot would keep everyone laughing. Would you rather have Flipper, Winter, or Echo as your water park's friendly pet dolphin? A dolphin with a special tail? That's truly unique. Which character's candy floss fountain would you choose for the sweetest water park treat? An ever-flowing candy floss fountain is a dream come true. Which adventurous character's floating obstacle course would you conquer first? A tomb raiding obstacle course sounds like a real challenge. Which princess's diving board would you bravely jump from first? A A super long hair diving board sounds like a unique way to get a bounce. Which Lion King-inspired water coaster calls to you for a thrilling ride? A Hakuna Matata coaster means no worries, right? Pick your mystery. Which magical fountain will you discover for your water park? Unbelievable! The secret beach fountain spouts endless amounts of glittery, rainbow-colored water that makes wishes come true. Pick one for your relaxing float. Dora's Adventure River, Buzz Lightyear's Cosmic Stream, or Elsa's Icy Wonderland? A zero-gravity space river? That's out of this world. Would you pick Stitch's smoothie stand, Moana's island snacks, or a secret from Maui? The secret from Maui was a giant, shimmering, fish-shaped ice cream cake. It's so big, everyone gets a piece. Would you rather splash around in Owen's Dino World, Blue's Raptor Zone, or the T-Rex's Roaring Realm? A mighty roar-filled water world from the T-Rex? That's intense! Which talking water toys would you want to play with at your water park? Let us know in the comments. A nervous but chatty dinosaur floaty sounds like it would tell the best stories. Which character's towel would you pick to dry off after a splashy day? A quick-dry towel sounds incredibly useful. Which Mighty Heroes entrance will welcome you to the coolest water park ever? A smash-through entrance from Hulk? Better be careful. Which Speedy Friends Vortex slide would give you the ultimate spin? A powerful punch vortex slide? That sounds intense! Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.